Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Steamclient.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start fixing Steam Client manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is the core engine library for the 32-bit Steam application. It manages background processes, including game updates, user authentication, library management, and communication with the Valve Global Server Network. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Steamclient.dll is functionally required for Valve Steam to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Valve Steam from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Steam Client component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like the Steam Client.dll from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the Steam client. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved you the Steam client workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.